to Fabrice to this new lesson about VirtualBox. This is a system multi-platform of Oracle of Linux that have right for this article of Nerd Solution that you can find to this address on blue. That on my language that it is Italian, but you can easily translate with the plugins of Google Translate on the right. So you can select your language, in this case is English, and we go to start. We now dedicate this article to the Linux operation system, and it is the new VirtualBox update. The Oracle software that allows the use of the virtual machine installed on your PC or dedicated machine that allows installation on the same virtual machine. We have now arrived at VirtualBox 7.0.4 and compared to the previous build, it introduced a whole series of annoying innovations in order to improve the general user experience of the program. We point out in this upgrade the initial support for Resin for the Linux kernel 6.1, currently under development, of which the RLC 6 was released a few days ago, and therefore it is assumed that the RC8 is available in a very short time. Another substantial novelty that was introduced with the VirtualBox 7.0.4 is the support for the version of Linux can be implemented within the distribution already presented from this version. You will also have at your disposal Alma Linux, Red Hat Enterprise Linux, CentOS Stream, SUSE Linux Enterprise, Red Hat Enterprise Linux, all versions that are implemented in a particular way for corporate or cloud computing environments. As regards the guest addition, an update was instead implemented in order to fix critical issues with the rebuild behavior of kernel modules. In addition, the progress bar related to the automatic installation of Linux guest addition work perfectly. With the new VirtualBox 7.0.4 version, you can also access nested paging support. It is a hardware-assisted virtualization technology that allows you to avoid overhead criticalities in combination with software-managed shadows. In addition, the information relating to file operation of the guest control file manager has been increased. It will also be possible for the user to reset the interface and font directly from the display panel. As always, like the other version, the VirtualBox project will also be available from the official Oracle site for free, where you can choose from the various installers for Windows, Linux, Mac OS, with updates that can also be downloaded from the related support repository. And this is the link for the download of the software. You can also the link for the explanation of guest addiction in this tutorial that you have found also on video, and the link what is about the virtual machine of VirtualBox lesson number 1. From this lesson from Fabrice is all. Bye bye to the next.